Hey guys, comment below on what you invest in, whether it's stocks, real estate, crypto. Let us know. What do you like? Why do you like it? I'm gonna give you my opinion on what I like and where I invest my money in. So we have, at least I have almost all our money in real estate. That's in any sort of investment. It's usually in real estate. I feel more comfortable in it. I think we have like $2,000 in stock somewhere. I started an account when I was like 18 on one of those online E-Trade, Scottrade, whatever account. Honestly, I don't even remember the password login, so I don't know how well it's doing. I haven't checked in probably like 10 years, so it is what it is. That's not where my attention is. We're real estate people. Before I go into the pros, I will tell you there are some cons. So what are the disadvantages of real estate? Let me go over that first. The disadvantage of real estate, it's way more work than stocks, as far as managing the asset and walking deals, going to check out properties, talking to brokers, underwriting the deal. I guess you have to underwrite deals for stock too, but what we do, we travel, we ride around, we fly all over the country, look at deals, talk to a lot of people to land one of these deals. It is a full-time job, what we do, to look for all the deals we do. So it's a lot of work. And it's also usually expensive. Like, unlike stock, maybe you can get into it for a couple $100, $1,000. You can buy a share or two or some, 10 shares of stocks. You can't do that with real estate. You typically need some money. When we buy commercial deals, we're buying $1 million, $2 million, $5 million deals, and it does take some upfront money for that. There's also the transaction costs of real estate. It's when you buy or sell real estate, there may be a broker involved. There's transfer tax. There's title insurance. There's lawyer fee. So the cost of transacting a deal is a lot more than it would be to trade a stock, and it's illiquid. You can't get out of a deal by clicking the sell button and you have all your money back. It sometimes takes months, to sell a deal. So those are the negative, but the positive to me way out benefits the negatives. So to me, here are some of the pros. Pro one is it's tangible. It's something I can touch. It's something I can feel. I can kick the wall. I know it's there. Buying a stock, it's like, I think it's there. It's a piece of paper. It's in the cloud somewhere. I know I own a part of Walmart or something, but I can't really control it or touch it, like I can with a building that I own. So, the second thing I like about real estate, it's easy to understand. Everybody understands how real estate makes money. Everybody understands how you pay rent and then the landlord collects the rent, or you buy a piece of property and you fix it up and resell it. That is something that's very easy to understand, and it's good for me because I'm not that super smart and I can understand real estate. And another reason I like real estate is people always need a place to rent. People always need a place to stay. People always need a place to store something. People always need a place to open a business. People always need a place for their office. So real estate will always be needed. It's also a hedge against inflation. So when inflation goes up, real estate, because construction cost goes up and your real estate's already built, in a time where there's high inflation, real estate does well. So It's great. Another advantage is tax advantages. So there's depreciation when you own real estate, commercial real estate. You get 39-year depreciation. So depreciation is a paper loss. You could actually make money in real estate and not have to pay any taxes because of depreciation. It could show that you actually lost money. So that's a great tool in real estate. And another thing in real estate is it has cash flow. And I understand cash flow. Although stock, you do have dividends, so that's similar to cash flow. But the thing is, dividends, they could change it, they could slash it, they could quit paying it. But real estate, it typically always has cash flow. A big thing I like about real estate is I'm in control. Stocks, you don't know what's going to happen with the company, with the CEO, the board. They make a decision, what direction they want to go. Real estate, I'm always in control. Whether it does good or bad, I'm the one to blame. And I like that because usually we're buying properties that are doing bad. And since I'm in control, I can turn that property around and have it doing good. We'll go in and fix it up, rehab it, change the management, implement our management strategy in there and improve it and get the rent up and force the appreciation of the property. So I love that. It's something I can control. So I have yet to say my favorite thing I like about real estate. The best thing about real estate is leverage. Leverage is very important in real estate, but it can be a double-edged sword. So you do have to be careful with leverage. If you use it incorrectly, it can take you down quickly. If you use it correctly, it can be a tremendous way to wealth. Leverage. You want to work with banks, you want to work with investors, you want to work with private money people. Leverage is so important because you might be borrowing money at 4% and you take that borrowed money and you go buy a piece of real estate at 9%. So you take 9 minus 4 is 5%. You're making a 5% spread on that 4% money you're borrowing. Does that make sense? So leverage is very important in real estate. It's a huge way to buy bigger properties with only putting down 25%. So in stock, if you buy $100,000 of stock, you get $100,000 of stock. In real estate, if I leverage $100,000, I can buy $400,000 of real estate. See the difference? Stock is $100,000 in stock. Real estate is $400,000 in real estate. So leverage is amazing. And plus, you're borrowing the bank's money to make a spread on the real estate. Where earlier I used an example, if the real estate is producing 9% and your borrowed money is 4%, you are essentially making 5% on the bank's money. That's a win. That's a big win, you know? So let me know, comment below, what do you invest in? What do you like? Do you like stocks? Do you like real estate? Do you like crypto? Where have you made most of your money and where are most of your money at? Or do you invest in all of them? Please like the video if you like it. If you don't like it, smash the dislike button. Let me know how you feel. Comment below. If you think I'm an idiot, go ahead, comment that. If you want more contents like this, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification. Bye.